Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll share our secret how to easily fix an oil leak without replacing gaskets and taking the engine apart. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang. It could be any Mustang, any generation, from practically 4, 6 to 8 cylinder engines. If you have an oil leak, you want to see how you can easily fix an oil leak, guys, without taking the engine apart, without replacing gasket, what often works for that, and how to even prevent oil leaks in the future. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll share our secret with you. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, guys. Anything from transmissions, engines, bodywork, interior, exterior. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return for providing these free videos, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. That way we can keep making them. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So what do we have specifically here, guys? We'll demonstrate on 2019 Mustang 5.0 GT, but even, guys, if you have a different one, okay, we will talk about that too. Even if you have a previous generation, practically anything that we worked on Mustang past 2000, guys, will work with 4, 6 or 8 cylinder engine. The 4 cylinders is for that generation, practically that 2.3 EcoBoost. But now, oil leaks, guys. Let's talk about oil leaks, what can often cause oil leaks. And there is one part that most people, guys, okay, never replace, and it's a part that you should replace it quite often if you check your service manual. And that part, if it fails, it can create multiple oil leaks. Let's say you fix one, then you have another gasket failing, then another one, and you wonder what's happening. First, guys, what you need to do, check your PCV valve. This is known as a positive crankcase ventilation valve, PCV valve. The purpose of that valve is when your engine runs, okay, you have a blow-by gas, and it's supposed to get that air and put it in the intake manifold so it can burn through the engine. But that blow-by gas will be mixed with oil vapors, okay, and practically separates the air from the oil. If that valve fails, stuck close, that internal pressure in the engine, that blow-by gas, there is nowhere to go, so you start practically putting pressure on the gaskets, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, variable timing solenoid gaskets, guys. Could be multiple things, and as a result, what happens? Okay, you start developing oil leaks. So first, test the PCV valve. We have a special video on our main YouTube channel, how to repair, guys, symptoms of bad PCV valve and how to test PCV valve really easily. Then we recommend, guys, to use that additive. Now, I believe this one, okay, you're going to need 2 of that, okay, 2 of these, because this one is for 5 liters, 5.2 quarts, 5.28, and on some Mustangs, the V8s, you may need to use up to 2. On smaller engines, you may need to use 1 or a little bit over 1. But this is unbelievable, guys. Leaky moly, guys. I never believed in additives until I used their stuff. But practically we used an engine flush additive on a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles, and being 15-year-old, guys, we used that additive. We took the engine apart and everything looked like new on the inside. We have a special video that explains, does leaky moly engine flush work? Check it out and it will teach you all about that. So you can see the results yourself. But that motor oil saver, what it does, guys, it can easily fix oil leaks, because gaskets, when exposed to time, being old, and high temperatures, the rubber will start to shrink. It will become less flexible. It will start leaking, and using that additive can actually, guys, what it does, it expands the rubber gaskets. It makes them pliable and soft again. And usually on older vehicles or vehicles approaching 100,000 miles, preventatively I start using that one during my oil change. So practically, okay, we can prevent oil leaks occurring in the future, because 100,000 mile car sooner or later starts developing oil leaks, guys. So This is our advice. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a good price and quick shipping. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.